Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. If you recite Surah Ikhlas according to a hadith of Bukhari 3 times, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, Qul huwa Allahu ahad, Allahu samad, lam yalid wa lam yulad, wa lam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. Recite that 3 times and Allah will give you the reward of reciting the Quran. Okay, now some scholars have said this is in terms of his meaning, but other scholars have said it's actually in terms of the reward that you get of reciting the Quran. So do this in Ramadan and Allah Azza wa Jal will give you 70 times more than that. Okay, 70 times more than that. Pass this on to others, let them recite Surah Ikhlas 3 times and you get the amount of reward that they get as well, equally, without anyone losing anything, inshallah. Okay, the Essential Duas app is in the App Store, in the Play Store. Okay, just type in Essential Duas, D-U-A-S, you'll find it in there, and please download it to learn many of these duas, inshallah.